Dell docking station fan issues are common across multiple models. The most frequently affected include WD-19 and WD-19S series, TB16 and TB18 Thunderbolt docks, D6000 and D3100 Universal docks, and newer WD22TB4 and WD19 DCS models. The first diagnostic step is checking for the latest drivers and firmware using Dell Command Update. This software automatically scans your system and identifies available updates that can resolve thermal management issues. Next, monitor your docking station's temperature using tools like HWinfo64 or Dell Support Assist. Normal operation should maintain temperatures between 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Temperatures above this range indicate potential cooling issues. Perform a physical inspection of your docking station. Look for any obstructions blocking the ventilation areas, such as dust buildup, papers, or objects placed too close to the device. Proper airflow is essential for cooling. Finally, test your docking station with a minimal load. Connect only a single monitor and basic peripherals like a keyboard and mouse. This reduces the thermal load and helps determine if the fan issue is related to excessive power consumption or heat generation. These immediate diagnostic steps help identify whether your Dell docking station fan issue is software-related, environmental, or hardware-based. Use Dell Support Assist for additional automated diagnostics to pinpoint specific component failures. When initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Dell docking station fan issues, it's time to implement progressive solutions, focusing on environmental improvements. First, ensure your workspace has adequate ventilation. Use laptop cooling pads underneath your docking station to improve airflow and heat dissipation. Proper placement is crucial. Dell recommends maintaining at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides of your docking station. Relocate the dock away from heat sources like direct sunlight or other electronic devices. Regular maintenance is essential. Clean dust from ventilation ports every 3 to 6 months, as this prevents most fan failures. Statistics show that 68% of docking station failures occur in dusty or poorly ventilated environments. For persistent issues, consider advanced troubleshooting options. Professional cleaning services can thoroughly clean internal components. Fan replacement should only be performed by authorized service centers. Prevention is always better than repair. Implement regular maintenance schedules, monitor environmental conditions, and educate users on proper docking station placement. These proactive measures can reduce support issues by up to 60%.